What up? You know who it is. Let's get to it. What do you see when you look at me? Just a young nigga living comfortably, stress-free, but the devil underneath. Strike three, now the demon's unleashed. Lord, please, you got me begging on my knees. Can't do it on my own, I need angel wings. As a choir sings, I see crazy things. The room darkens, complete silence. Something's here and it's not invited. Fog appears and something sighted. Satan's here and he brought disciples, but it's all good cause I got some homies with rifles and they won't think twice. They just aim and snipe you. Don't get it fucking twisted, I'm nothing like you. Psychopath killer, but I hope I don't fright you. Just look into my eyes and join the cycle. People saying that I won't make it. Here, you can be my demonstration. Wake up, tied up in my fucking basement. Your mouth ducked up, I don't hear what you're saying. You're a crying little bitch, your whole body shaking. Got an all-white table with needles and tweezers. Strap your ass down, then start the procedure. Take your tonsils out, then I'm leaving you speechless. All the voices in my head sound like demons. My veins pop out, then my ears start bleeding. Having trouble seeing it, I'm hearing people screaming, and I really don't know if this is real or I'm dreaming. Beat my ass up, try to wake myself up, and I hear Satan laughing like, God, what the fuck, man? Really don't think that I've been through enough. And to all my fake friends, yeah, I know you're a bluff, okay? Let's go over the rules. I wear the crown, I won every round, never back down, always smoke loud. Lion-hearted nigga, cause I always stand proud. I'm so fucking high, I can't touch the clouds, and I'm blowing clouds, you can't stop me now. Everybody know that be breezy, be killing it. Even your girl be twerking and feeling it. If you don't like it, I really don't give a shit. You said I can't rap, I think I accomplished it. Yay! Yeah.